Alright, we're going to talk about this rivet nut setter. On the earlier Alcort Sunfish, the combing was attached with a machine screw. It's a number 10 32 thread 3/4 inch screw that goes into this closed-in rivet. By closed-in, that means water's not going to leak into the boat once it's installed. So you put that into the gun, you screw it on, and then when you go to pull, you can see the difference. Where'd my rivet go? You can see how that ribbed end gets compressed, and that sandwiches the deck between the top and the inside. Because when you pull, this little anvil pulls up and, use a technical term, squishes it down. You're ready to go out, you release. And I don't know if I'll be able to do this one-handed, but you turn this, and the rivet's captured in the deck, so you just turn this to get that out of there. So that's in the deck, and then you go get your number 10 by 32 thread 3/4 inch stainless steel screw and put that down in there. 13 of them. If you're going to buy something like this, I recommend you buy more than 13 because it might get messed up. And I recommend you start doing hand workouts now because these things takes quite a bit of grip strength to compress that. So that's the rivet nut setter.